If you're spending hours in the gym doing 15 different exercises, stop, because here's the truth. You don't need 100 movements to build muscle. You just need the right ones, done the right way. And in this video, I'm going to show you the only 7 exercises you actually need to build muscle faster than ever before. These lifts are simple, powerful, and used by the strongest in the world. And later in this video, I'll share one crucial reason why most guys see 0 results, even when they do these exercises. Don't miss that. Whether you're just starting out, or you've been training for years, this list covers the core movements that actually deliver results. Forget the gimmicks, forget the fads. These 7 exercises are all you need to transform your body and build serious size. Grab a notepad. Let's dive in. Number 1. Barbell squat. The king of mass. The barbell squat is the #1 muscle-building lift. It works your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and core, all in one brutal movement. But that's not all. Squats also trigger a powerful hormone response, boosting your overall muscle growth. To do it right, stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Lower down by bending your hips and knees. Go just below parallel. Then drive through your heels to stand back up. Squats build strength, size, and toughness. If you skip squats, you're leaving gains on the table. Number 2. Deadlift. Full body power. The deadlift is a full body monster. It targets your hamstrings, glutes, lower back, lats, traps, and forearms. No other movement hits as many muscles in one go, and when you get stronger at deadlifts, everything improves. To deadlift safely, set the bar over the middle of your feet. Keep your spine neutral. Grip the bar just outside your knees. Push through your heels and stand tall. Done right, the deadlift builds muscle, strength, and raw power. It's essential. Number 3. Bench press. Chest growth essential. The bench press builds your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Barbells let you lift heavier. Dumbbells give you more control and range of motion. To press with proper form, keep your feet flat and your back slightly arched. Lower the bar slowly to your chest. Push it back up in a straight line. Want to hit the upper chest? Try incline bench. Want more size? Focus on slow, controlled reps. The bench press is the king of upper body pressing. Make it a staple. Number 4. Pull-ups or lat pull-downs. Build that V-taper. Pull-ups build a wide V-shaped back. They hit your lats, biceps, traps, and core. Struggling with pull-ups? Start with bands or a machine. Too easy? Add weight. If you can't do pull-ups yet, lat pull-downs are a solid alternative. Use a full range of motion. Stretch at the bottom, squeeze at the top. These moves give you that wide, powerful look from behind. Number 5. Overhead press, shoulder power. The overhead press builds your delts, traps, triceps, and core stability. It's one of the most athletic lifts you can do. To press safely, stand tall with your core tight. Press the weight overhead without arching your lower back. Lower under control. Use dumbbells for shoulder-friendly movement, or barbells to go heavy. Want bigger, rounder shoulders? Do this regularly. Number 6. Barbell or dumbbell rows. Back thickness. Rows build a thick, muscular back. They hit your lats, rear delts, traps, and biceps. Barbell rows let you move serious weight. Dumbbell rows help with control and balance. Form matters. Keep a flat back. Pull toward your lower chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades at the top. Rows balance your push movements. They also protect your shoulders. Don't skip them. Number 7. Barbell or easy bar curls, arm finishers. Last but not least, barbell curls. They're your best tool for big, peaked biceps. Easy bar curls are great if straight bars hurt your wrists. To curl correctly, keep your elbows locked to your sides. Lift with control. Lower slowly. You don't need 100 arm exercises, but you do need this one. Now, even with all these lifts, most guys still don't grow. Why? Because they ignore the two most important things: progressive overload and consistency. If you're not getting stronger or doing more work over time, your body won't change. Track your lifts, push yourself, stay patient. The results will come. And there you have it, the only 7 exercises men need to build real muscle. Cut the fluff, master these movements, and stick with them. If this video helped you, tap like, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell for more no-nonsense muscle-building advice. And here's your question of the day. What's the one muscle group you struggle with most, and what have you tried to fix it? Drop your answers in the comments. I'm reading every one, and I'll be jumping in to give tips. Thanks for watching. Stay strong and keep training smart.